My console crashed. What do you got? Can you get in?
Holy shit. Raul Menendez is transmitting a live webcast. He's on right now.
Opulence is sinful, and we all pay for it. Opulence was the flagship of their absurd materialism, so I destroyed it. You cannot stop us now. Your military is crippled. Our destiny. Rise and strike while they are down. Strike now and strike.
This is an activation of the emergency alert system. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the United States Civil Defense. Please note that this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. It is imperative that you pay close attention to this communication as it concerns an ongoing national emergency. We regret to inform you that all police and armed forces have surrendered to the Kurdistan movement as their leader has severely compromised our armed defense capabilities, rendering all defense efforts ineffective. Civilians cannot depend on law enforcement at this time. Additionally, we have detected 3 nuclear missiles heading towards the United States, with the expected impact sites being Washington, D.C., New York, and New York City. If you are located in these areas, including the already devastated Los Angeles, you are strongly advised to seek underground shelter immediately. Gather non-perishable food, water, clothing, and essential items to sustain yourself for at least 14 days. It is also crucial to avoid falling under the influence of the Kurdistan movement and do not attempt to act heroically. Stay tuned to news outlets for further updates. We now conclude this message.